This morning, there are several events planned for the 4th of July in and around the capital area. And if you are going outside or celebrating at home, you want to make sure you're doing it safely. Tune in's Mia Monet joins us from the Baton Rouge Fire Department headquarters with more details. Mia, good morning. So what are we learning about staying safe this July 4th?
Good morning, Brandy. Now, we know that one of the most common things where people get injured are fireworks, and that's why I've joined this morning with Baton Rouge Fire, Curtin Monty, and also EMS with Brad Harris to talk all about what people can do to make sure that they are staying safe. Good morning.
Good morning.
Now, first, Kurt, I want to get with you really quickly. Tell me, what are some of the common things that happen when it comes to being safe and fireworks and everything?
So first of all, fireworks are illegal in East Baton Rouge Parish. So we ask people to not use them for personal use and enjoy some of the many events like the one you all sponsor going on. That way your family can stay safe. I mean, the reason why is there's over 20,000 calls a year for fires due to fireworks across the country. So in a heavy populated area like Baton Rouge, it's very important that you adhere to those ordinances and laws and keep your family safe by going out and enjoying and letting the professionals take care of that.
Speaking of professionals, now after something happens with a firework, Brad, y'all are the people who have to go out on the scene and take care of that. Now, what are some of the things that y'all see most of the time?
The most common types of injuries we see are just from actual thermal burns from people touching the firework. And also, too, one of the biggest problems is people that are actually dismantling fireworks, or they're improvising their own fireworks, or they're, putting them towards each other and that sort of thing. So we always ask people to, use them as they're manufactured and don't try to improvise them in any type of way.
Now, aside from fireworks, there's also another big component for 4th of July. We got some food on the grill, isn't that right? Any tips that you want to give to the people who are going to be manning the grill masters?
Certainly, use your grill very safely. Keep it, don't use it underneath any kind of awning or eave of your home. Don't use it under your carport. Keep your children and your pets away from it. And it's always important to never leave the grill unattended. That way you can keep your eye on it, keep your family safe, enjoy a great 4th of July, and everybody can have a good time.
Thank you so much. Thank the both of you. Now, listen, everyone, just for a safe reminder, like we were just saying, once again, fireworks are illegal to pop in the city of Baton Rouge. However, you can always go on the river at 9 o'clock and catch the WBRZ Manship family's annual fireworks show on the Mississippi Levee. You don't want to miss out on that. But if you do have anything, please stay safe on this 4th of July holiday. For now, reporting in Baton Rouge, I'm Mia Monet, WBRZ News 2.
All right.